White clouds. Once upon a time, there was a small kitten in a quiet village. The name is Mimi. Mimi was always full of energy and loved to venture around the village. One night, Mimi was playing under the starry sky when she found a fluffy white cloud. The clouds look very soft. Would you like to play together? And I spoke to Mimi. Mimi was overjoyed and said, "Yes," I answered and jumped on the clouds. Above the clouds is like a dream world. Mimi danced with the little stars on the clouds and took a moonlight shower. The stars said, "If you get sleepy, we'll protect you, so don't worry." Tired of playing, Mimi lay down on the fluffy clouds, listening to the songs of the gentle stars, and her eyelids gradually became heavier. A pleasant breeze enveloped Mimi, and when she realized, she had traveled into a dream. And Mimi continued her fun adventure with the stars in a happy dream. That's it.